All right, in my previous video, I showed you how to do the quadratic formula for a quadratic equation using the TI-30X Pro math print and doing everything step by step. But one thing about the TI-30X Pro math print is that it has a polynomial solver, okay? So in this case, if you press second polynomial solver, right, it gives you PolySolver, and it gives you quadratics and cubics, and it gives you 0. You see, it gives you that generic form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Ax squared plus bx plus c. And because we already have the coefficients, let's see if we can find the answers. So we'll press number 1, and it's asking you what is a. A is going to be -2. Enter. What's b? 13. Enter. -20 for c. Enter. One answer is going to be 4. Yep, it's right here. Perfect. And then if we move it down, I think, it gives us a second answer, 5/2, which is it gives you in fraction form. Wow, that's pretty neat, isn't it? That it gives you the answer automatically. So if you need to solve a quadratic, and if you have the coefficients, you can easily use the PolySolver to do that. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please show your teacher this video. Maybe they can use it for the class. Show your friends. Please subscribe if you like the content. And I hope you have a great semester. Check out this video. You should see it before this is the previous video for this one. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.